The energy sector is the primary source of carbon emissions in Taiwan, accounting for over 70% of direct carbon dioxide emissions. Emma, at CarbonClean Energy, you are transforming CO2 into valuable products like jet fuel. How exactly are you doing this, and what impact could this technology have on global net zero initiatives?
In our CO2 conversion process, we only need 3 components: CO2, water, and electricity. So in CarbonClean, we do have a different kind of the catalysts which allow us to convert CO2 to different chemicals and the fuels, and with very high efficiency. And our product is a modular design, which allows us to scale our carbon reduction capacity to be unlimited. If we have extra valuable chemicals in the fuels, they can further use. And then the best thing for them is they can just do this kind of a recycle process within their manufacturing process. They don't need to do the carbon capture and then transport those captured carbon to somewhere to store it or sell it. They can just create their own ecosystem within their company. I think that's the most beautiful thing for them. And then for each company, we can customize different catalysts for them, and then even further, we can customize the product they can reuse
within their existing process.
Yeah. In the CO2 utilization sectors, the most common way is to use hydrogen to react with the CO2 to form something valuable. But in our process, we actually use the proton from water to react with the CO2. So this way, we don't need to worry about the hydrogen, because hydrogen is pricey and then it's challenging to deal with. And so in our process, we only need water and the CO2. That makes the overall process be easy to operate.
So what is the biggest differentiation of your solution in the marketplace?
First, our product is a modular design, so it can be scalable to unlimited carbon reduction capacity. The second, we have 3 different product lines, so we can make CO2 into the syngas, ethylene, or ethanol. And the third, we actually can power our product with the green energy, so that make the whole conversion process be very low carbon footprint, which make it more sustainable. We can also cut down carbon emission from the manufacturing process in the semiconductor industries. So the way is that we can connect our electrolyzer into a part of the manufacturing process, and then we can convert those CO2 into something valuable, for example, like a syngas, and then we can cycle back into the manufacturing process as a fuel, so we can keep the recycle keep going and as a continuous cycle to make a circular carbon economy.
So how important are partnerships to the success of the company?
I think partnership with the corporation or some professional firms or research institute are really important for us to gain more resources in many different perspectives. Right now, we do have partnership with the ITRI, which is the biggest research institute in Taiwan. So when we cooperate with the ITRI, we can tap into their top-notch research facilities, so they allow us to do some fundamental research when we are trying to do some industrial scale development.
How do you see CO2 conversion technologies evolving over the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, we expect the CO2 conversion technology will significantly evolve along with carbon capture technologies, driven by the improvements of scalability, efficiency, and versatility. Eventually, we can use these chemicals and the fuels made by CO2 rather than the fossil fuels.